To enjoy clean and safe drinking water, follow these steps on how to use the Atomy Easy Clean water filter pitcher. To ensure reliable performance, make sure to flush the filter. Rinse the water filter with tap water for initial use or when replacing it. Hold the top of the water filter and slide it vertically into the water tank. It is important to push the water filter in until it no longer goes in any further. Improperly inserting the water filter could lead to drinking unfiltered water. Add water to the main container. Fill the main container to less than half full. Insert the water tank with the water filter installed into the main container filled with water, and then close the lid. Fill the water tank with water up to 2/3 of its capacity and let it sit for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes have passed, pour out the water. Refill the water tank with tap water to less than 2/3 full and let it filter naturally. After about 10 minutes, when the water is filtered, empty the standing water from the main container. Repeat this process 2 more times for a total of 3 times. When ready to use, adjust the counter dial on the lid. The water filter should be replaced every 3 months. If you started using the new filter in September, set the dial to the start month of September and replace the filter in November. Once you've adjusted the counter dial, add tap water to the water tank and then close the lid. Place the pitcher in an upright position to filter the water. When using the filtered water, ensure that all the water in the water tank has been filtered, and then close the lid before using it. Be cautious if there is water in the water tank, as it may overflow through the lid or cause the filtered water to mix with unfiltered water.